Okay, so let me show you the difference. Okay, what we did, it's not from a week ago, you know, it's 4 different chapters. Okay, so what we did, okay, what we started with is I gave you a sum that looks like this. Okay, over, let's make it, no, let's make it 4x plus 2 or whatever. Okay, that's what we did. That's the addition and subtraction we did, right? Yeah. Where on top we had to factorize because we've got a stop sign. Yes. Okay, and then we've got cross cancel and we simplify. Okay, now we've got addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions where it's not just one term on its own, we've now got 3 terms. Understand? Okay, when we've got 3 terms, all we need to do is we need to go and find a LCD. Because remember, to add and subtract fractions, your denominator needs to be the same. Right? Okay, so first thing you should notice is when something is not a fraction, we put it over 1. Okay, you understand? You're good. Leroy, you're fine. Okay. Right, so when we need to go and find the LCD, I want you guys to make a note over here. Always and forever until the day you die with your classroom mathematics textbook when you're 500 years old. This is how you're going to find the LCD. Okay? You are going to take the highest exponent of each base. You remember this? Yes. The highest exponent of each base. Okay. Yeah. You can make that step 1. Okay, this is the most important piece. Because if your LCD is wrong, your answer is going to be very wrong. Right, can I continue? Yes, please. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go find our LCD. I love using color. It works for some and not for others. So if you don't like it, you don't have to use it, but it just helps me. Okay? So in my denominator, I've got 2 different types of bases. I've got a squared and I've got a. Okay, that's the same base, correct? Okay, so far, my LCD, we take the highest one is going to be a squared. The reason why I take the highest one is because I can multiply a with a to make it a squared. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, you guys okay? Yes, ma'am. Are you fine? Okay, then I've got B and B. The highest exponent of that base is B. So my LCD is going to be a squared B. Alright, you guys fine? Yes. Yes. Okay, so what I do now is on the left hand, or on the entire thing, I'm going to write it all over my LCD, which is a squared B. Right, are you guys okay? Now from here, I'll go look at each denominator and I see what's missing. And I multiply it by that. Okay, so here, this term over here, you block the rest out for now. A squared B, is that my denominator? Yes. So that denominator is not missing anything. Are you with me? So it's basically like multiplying it with 1. But whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top.
And what are you looking for?
Okay. We're looking at the denominators to make them multiplied by something to make it look like the LCD. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it down exactly like it is for now. Okay, this is 1 bracket 2 for now. Okay, are you with me? Yes. Right, let's move to the next one. A, B, what am I missing here? 1A, right? So we need to multiply AB with A. to make it a squared b, so the denominators look the same to get to the LCD. But whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the... Okay, so I need to multiply this also with an a.
But wait, why are we multiplying a with the second term?
Because that's what our LCD is. Look what our LCD is, a squared b. This is just ab. So this denominator is missing an a to make it a squared b. Okay, do you see why you take the highest exponent of each base? Right. So I'm going to say minus. Do you see I just write the minus down from the sum? Okay, so minus a times 3.
And so we write it as is.
Yes, just for now, because can I tell you why I do that? A lot of you are going to forget to multiply the negative. Okay, so I rather write down what I'm multiplying so that you can see your signs, and the next step we'll sort it out. Don't try to be Einstein and do everything at once. Rather be cautious. Okay, here we only have a 1. What do we need to multiply this by? The whole thing. A squared b. But the same here as well. Because whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So it's plus a squared b, and that needs to be multiplied with 5. Okay. And now, brackets represent either FOIL or distribution. Okay, so all we're going to do here is we are going to distribute. Okay, so my final answer, I'm going to skip a line so it's clear for you guys to see, is going to be 2 minus 3a. Are you guys okay? Plus 5a squared b, all divided by a squared b. Why can we not simplify further? First of all, we've got stop signs. Are you with me? Second of all, the top terms, there's no like terms there. Okay, understand? Right. Right. So first things first. The top one was quite easy because everything was, it was one base on its own. But now can you see we've got a problem here? Okay, yes, but yeah, this is what I'm talking about. What's my problem here?
Dots.
Yes! Okay, so make sure all denominators are factorized. Okay, all denominators are factorized before finding LCD. Okay, are we fine? So we know that this is dots now, correct? Okay, so this is going to be 3 over x plus 1, x minus 1, minus 2 over x minus 1 squared. Are we good? Next step, we're going to go find my LCD, and my LCD, we take the highest exponent of each base. So we've got a x plus 1. Okay, do we have any other x plus 1s? No. Okay, so my highest exponent for that one is taking 1, x plus 1, correct? Highest exponent here is x minus 1 squared. Can I finish off quick? Can we write? Even if you guys just listen and you write it down when you get home. Okay, so my LCD is going to be x plus 1, x minus 1 squared. Right, so you're fine. Just listen. I'll send it on the group for you guys to copy. Okay, this one is missing x minus 1. Are you with me? So this 3 needs to get multiplied with a x minus 1. Are you good? This 2, not the 2, the negative 2 needs to get multiplied with a x plus 1. Are you good? Are you good? Because look here, this one's got, my LCD is x minus 1 squared. Okay? But what about the x plus 1? This one's missing the x plus 1. Do you see? But whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So this negative 2 still needs to get multiplied with a
X plus 1. And isn't the first one also need to be multiplied?
it's got an x plus 1.
There
It already has it. This one needs the x minus 1 for the square. You understand?
So in the root where we say plus, because it didn't have.
Yes, it didn't have the plus. Okay, do you guys understand? Right.